Have you ever heard of the S&P 500 but aren't quite sure what it is or why everyone's talking about it? The truth is, owning a piece of this iconic index fund could be one of the smartest financial decisions you'll ever make. And today I'm going to break down exactly why. Imagine being able to invest in the top 500 U.S. companies, including household names like Apple, Amazon, and Microsoft, all rolled into one simple and diversified investment. That's essentially what the S&P 500 is, a collection of the largest and most stable publicly traded companies in the U.S., designed to give you exposure to the entire market. The S&P 500 is like a basket of apples, where each apple represents a different company. By owning a single apple or share of the S&P 500, you're essentially buying a tiny piece of all 500 companies at once. This diversification is key, as it helps spread your risk and gives you a more stable investment, even in turbulent market conditions.